Stratup.ai just dropped, and after testing thousands of AI tools, I can confidently say this one deserves your attention, especially if you're building or growing anything online. Stick around because I'm breaking down 7 crucial things you need to know before using Stratup.ai, and the last one could seriously change how you approach launching your next project. You can try this software for completely free from the first link below. And trust me, you'll want to because this tool might be the best just released AI software for startup founders, marketers, and solo creators who need to move fast. Now, here's what makes Stratup.ai different and why it's more than just another shiny AI toy. First, Stratup.ai is built specifically for entrepreneurs. It's not trying to be everything for everyone. It helps you generate startup ideas based on trends, validate those ideas instantly, and even generate lean canvas models, elevator pitches, and investor one-pagers automatically. No fluff, just actionable outputs. Second, it's designed to be useful even if you're not technical. I've seen too many AI tools that assume you know how to code or have a product already built. Stratup.ai doesn't. You can come in with a rough concept or no idea at all and still walk away with something pitchable. Third, this tool helps you actually validate your startup ideas with real-time market data and demand insights. It pulls trend signals, not just random suggestions. This is key, because an idea that sounds good isn't the same as one people actually want. Fourth, the UI is clean, modern, and fast. A lot of AI tools feel like beta tests. Stratup.ai feels polished and purpose-built. I had 3 startup concepts mapped out in less than 15 minutes, something that would have taken hours manually. Fifth, you're not just getting content generation, you're getting strategic tools. Stratup.ai generates go-to-market strategies, brand positioning frameworks, and even your first few marketing angles. This is perfect if you're trying to get investor ready or want to launch quickly without hiring a strategist. Sixth, it keeps everything organized in one workspace. So whether you're testing 5 ideas or refining just one, you're not losing anything in a sea of tabs or Google Docs. That structure alone makes it easier to stay focused and execute. And seventh, and this is big, it actually integrates with the mindset of building lean. It doesn't just throw generic business plans at you, it helps you think like a modern founder. That's a subtle detail, but it makes a massive difference when every hour and dollar counts. Stratup.ai is easily one of the best just released AI software tools I've tested this year. If you're serious about launching smarter and faster, give it a go using the free link below. Oh, and I've also listed my personal favorite AI tools in the description, all tested after going through thousands of platforms. Start with Stratup.ai, then explore what else might supercharge your next big idea.